Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alicia's Kitchen. So in today's video, I will be roasting this whole chicken alongside with some fresh veggies. And guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please go ahead and do so. Also to turn on your post notification so you can get notified when I post new videos. Now guys, let's cook. So okay guys, first we're gonna remove this card or thread that's around the chicken, and we're gonna be cutting the excess fat from the chicken, which it's not necessary. I'm also gonna cut the butt area or whatever that is called. Yeah, just remove that. It's not necessary, it's not needed, so just toss it guys. So yeah guys, here I am cutting away the excess, and if you guys want to leave it like that, I mean by all means, whatever float your boat. I mean it's your chicken, you can do whatever you want. So I'm just flipping it over, and I'm gonna use a sharp kitchen shear guys. It has to be sharp, and I'm cutting away the spine from it, that backbone. You guys can use this in soup, stock, whatever you guys want to use it in, but for me I'm gonna cook it with the chicken because I like bone. Not a dog, but I do like bone. Yeah, I guess the flavor that comes from it, you know, when you cook it and so forth. Yeah. So now I'm opening the chicken and I'm gonna remove those stuff, right? I'm not sure what it's called, but yeah, I'm just removing it because it tastes horrible when you cook it with that thing. Like I've tried it before and it's disgusting guys. So you're just gonna flip it over breast side up. Now I'm gonna be washing it. I'm gonna be washing it under cold running water using a lemon. So yeah guys, I'm just using half of that lemon. I'm just washing that chicken. You see how I'm going in with that guys? Like I'm scrubbing that thing guys, really, because a clean chicken is a tasty chicken. Okay, now guys, if you don't have lemon or lime, just go ahead and use vinegar, just any acidic ingredients. You guys have, you can even use salt. Like yeah, you can use salt to wash your chicken. Just soak it guys, and yeah, just soak it for a couple minutes, and yeah. So okay, look how beautiful this chicken is guys, so pretty. So okay now guys, so I'm using olive oil and I'm gonna make this concoction for my season to go over my chicken. So I'm using extra virgin olive oil, and I'm just using a generous amount. This is about a cup I think. And I'm also using some Cajun seasonings so you guys can see it. Well, it's actually done. I'm using a new one. This is actually a different brand. Yeah, and that's actually a generous amount. Also, you want your thing to be very flavorful guys. Also some parsley flakes, paprika, 1 tablespoon, rosemary leaves, also 1 tablespoon, Maggi all-purpose season, you know this is a goat, 1 tablespoon, garlic powder, I absolutely love, 1 tablespoon, Old Bay season, another one of my favorite. This is, well, 1 tablespoon. Oh yeah guys, onion powder, like come on, 1 tablespoon. and you're gonna mix that all together. Look how beautiful that is. Ooh, so pretty. So now guys, I'm gently laying the chicken in the baking tray, and it's lined with parchment. Is that parchment? Foil. It's lined with foil paper, and you already know breast side up. You can fix the wing however you want. You know, I don't know what's wrong with it. It's always sticking up, but you know, it's gonna taste the same when it's cooked. Now I'm just gonna drizzle that season all over, and I'm gonna rub it all over, guys. Oh my goodness, look at that. Like, oh my guys, the chicken was so flavorful. Like, trust me, I mean, you guys saw the ingredients, so I mean, come on, it was so flavorful, guys. And guys, do not be stingy with the season, okay? Do not be stingy at all, because you want your chicken to be flavorful. Just flip that over, guys, and pour that season all over it. If you're gonna have to make that paste again, go ahead and do that. But guys, trust me, you need to season your chicken, okay? Flavor. So I'm gonna flip it back over, and I'm gonna form a pocket in the breast area, and I'm just gonna drizzle some of that season, guys. Ooh, whoa, guys, yeah, just make a little pocket, guys, in that breast area there. Yeah, and then you just want to pour your season all in that. When I tell you, man, like, when I tell you, like, this was so flavorful. And guys, you can also marinate this overnight. Like, guys, I would just be sick. Okay, I didn't. I just went ahead and I baked mine immediately because I didn't have the time. But you guys can also go ahead and marinate that. Yeah, I'm the one that says flavor, okay? Chicken should have flavor. Okay, so now I'm moving over to my veggies. So guys, I have celery, carrot, broccoli, squash, onion, and some red potatoes. Now I'm just cutting these veggies. So guys, because I didn't wash my veggies before I cut them up, I'm just gonna wash them under cold running water. So okay, now it's time to season our chicken. I'm going in with that extra virgin olive oil. And the more the merrier. So guys, here I have all my seasons for my potatoes. I have rosemary, paprika, parsley flakes. I have Greek season, the Maggi all-purpose, Old Bay onion powder, oregano, and some Cajun season. So I'm just adding all that season to my veggies, and when I tell you flavor can done, okay? Yeah, just go ahead guys and just toss those veggies in the season, just making sure that it's well flavored, honey. We're just well seasoned, of course. I also add half of a red onion, guys. Now I'm just adding the veggies around the chicken. Now look how pretty that is. So colorful, just beautiful. Now guys, here you have it. Now you want to roast this for about 40 to 50 minutes, and you want to insert a thermometer in the thickest part of the breast, guys, which should reach 160 degrees Fahrenheit or 71 degrees Celsius. And there you have it, guys. Look how beautiful this is, and when I tell you, so juicy, so tender, fall off the bone. Oh my goodness, just beautiful, guys. I do hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you like it. Remember to comment, subscribe, guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. See ya. Bye. Mwah.